Good morning. I am going to continue the future perfect continuous tense. That is, other ways of expressing future. Last class I told you about going to plus base form. The continuation of this is going to base form. We often use the combination subject plus be plus ing going to plus base form of the verb to express future. So we use to express future. We use this form when we have already decided or planned to do something. I am going to buy a new car. My aunt is going to bake a cake for my birthday. So here we are going to do something in the future. So we use this expression going to plus base form. Here I am going to buy. I am going plus to buy the base form. Infinitive base form. My aunt is going to bake. So I think you have to use the to there. I am going to buy, I am going to teach, I am going to see, etc. We use the going to form when something in the present tells you about the future. we use the going to form when something in the present tells you about the future. So in the present, we say it in the present tense, and that is going to happen in the future. Look at the sky. It is going to rain. Look at the woman. He is going to cry. This is the signal. The rain is going to leave. Then another expression, be about to plus base form of the base form. Be about to base form. We often use the format subject plus be. That is one of the forms of verb be plus about to plus base form of the verb to talk about the immediate future. Let us hurry. The ticket window is about to shut. Let us hurry. The ticket window is about to shut. Be quiet. Baby is about to fall asleep. We often use the present continuous tense to talk about things that we have planned or arranged for in the future. So we often use present continuous to talk about something going to happen in the future. She is leaving next week. My uncle is arriving next month. The planned future can also be expressed by be plus to infinitive. That is, be means verb be. Look at the example. The president is to visit London next week. So be, the form of be is. Then we use infinitive, to visit. To plus base form is infinitive. We form infinitive form verb by using to plus base form. The chairman is to meet the union leaders tomorrow. So this is to meet is the future, is in the future sense. It's not happened. It's not happening. It will happen later. Chairman is to meet union leaders tomorrow. He is going to meet tomorrow, but we are telling it now or present time. So that is the use. The plan future can also be expressed by be plus to infinitive. To plus infinitive. That is to plus base form of the verb. The same we studied in the present continuous tense. We are using present continuous tense to express future. So this is about express future, that is plan entirely. Plan in the future. So here the president is to visit London next week. It is planned, but not happened. It will be next week. The chairman is to meet the union leaders tomorrow. He didn't meet, but he will meet tomorrow. So for this kind of expression, planned future action, we use B plus 2 infinitive, 2 plus base form, or B plus infinitive. Infinitive we make by adding 2 plus 2 to the base form. Now base form you already learned. Very important, the base form. That is equal to, that is present tense plural. Write, wrote, written. Plan, planned, planned. So base form is the first form. That is the beginning of the 3 forms of the verb. Now fill in the blanks with the correct future tense of the verb in brackets. Are the books heavy? I shall help you to carry them. Next week I will celebrate my 20th birthday. Reena will enter the dancing competition again next season. Just think, next week at this time I will be lying on a beach in Goa. So I have already given the answer, you can understand. Next one, do as directed. Seethal baked a cake. Change into past perfect continuous. Seethal baked a cake. So here, baked is past tense. You have to change that baked verb into past perfect continuous tense. I hope you studied it. You can do it. Anyway, I am going to do it. Sheila had been baking a cake. Had been baking past perfect continuous. We live in Kolkata. Change into past present perfect. Live verb. The present perfect form is have lived. We have lived in Kolkata. I have been teaching for 10 years. Have been teaching present perfect continuous. You have to change into past perfect. I had taught for 10 years. I had taught for 10 years. That becomes past perfect. I dance. Change into simple future. I will dance is simple future. Manu will have slept. Change into future perfect continuous. Manu will have been sleeping. Manu will have been sleeping. So be careful. The exam, I will ask this kind of questions. Do as directed. Changing the tenses. One tense is given and you have to change it to another tense form. It is very important. I will ask these questions for the next semester exam regarding the tense. You have to find out the verb form of each verb, each tenses, then change it accordingly. That is very important, my dear students. So I think with this, the tense class is over. We had studied about simple present and its 4 divisions, simple past and its 4 divisions, simple future and its 4 divisions. So study well. It is very important for learning English to find out the verb and tense. If you will be able to find out the verb and the tense and changing the tenses, you learn half of the grammar. To write and speak English, you must learn the verb and the tenses. Wish you all the best. Study well and prepare for the next SAMHSA exam.